Okay, so in this one, we're going to get people to like the page, and this isn't necessarily evil. I don't really like doing, but I have to, because I've got engagement on the page, so I have to get people to that are looking at the page. So the only reason I even run these and suggest running these like campaigns is to build up the engagement and have people not only have content not only being posted, but have people looking at it, whether they're, you know, it seems that the higher you get the number of likes, the lower your ad costs are overall. So let's go ahead and create that real quick. Just go into your ad account right there. And we're going to, yeah, this is an old one. Okay, so we're going to create a campaign here. I'm actually just going to delete these. I don't need them. So get rid of those. There we go. That looks better. So when you go in, you'll see it'll look like this. No results found. So we're going to create a campaign. So click on create, and we'll call this one 000, and we'll call it page likes. And we'll put the date. So in this case, and then we'll just call it page likes. And under here, under objective, you just want to go to page likes. That's the only time we'll be using this. So let's go 000-001, then the date again. Just get in the habit of putting the date because it's useful later on. And then we'll just call it, we're going to go worldwide to get the cheapest ones. Then I select my page. So I selected family time. And then in here, I'm going to copy that, paste it in here, paste, save to draft. And if you're on a different version of Ads Manager, mine has Ads Manager and the Power Editor is gone for me, so it's all combined into one. Eventually all accounts will look like this. So for a daily budget, we'll just do a little drip, like a tiny drip, $2.50, $5 a day, doesn't matter. And we'll do here, we're going to go worldwide to get the cheapest we can, because really it's just a number that we need more than anything. We'll go all men, women. Don't even really need detailed targeting, but we'll exclude people who don't like it. You could put something like family in here, because that's a gigantic interest, like what is it, 980 million people, if you wanted. And here under placements, we'll just go with all devices, because that's going to do it on the feeds only for Facebook, which is good. And we don't really need to do anything else down here. It's going to be auto bids. So don't need to change anything under optimization and delivery. So over here on the left, just click it again. And then we're going to put, we're just going to say, do you love your family? Click like if you do. That's it. That's all we're going to do. We're just going to gather up likes. So Family Time Clothing Brand. That's it. We could change this image to something else too if we really wanted to, but I'm just going to leave that one in. Because I'm really just looking for the ability to build that up. So I'll track it on the pixel. And the pixel I'm going to use is not that one. I'm going to have to attach another pixel to this account. So, or I'll rename that pixel. So let me, when you click here, it might say setup. So you can go through and set up your pixel. For me, I'll use this pixel yoga, but I'll just rename it, which I'll actually do right now. So I'm going to publish this. I'm going to use this pixel ID for my stuff. So I'm going to click publish. Then you'll see when I remove this, it's publishing. And I'm going to rename it, but I'm not going to confuse you. I'm not going to show you me renaming a pixel because there's no point. So that's it. Your like campaign's ready to go. When you go to campaigns now, you'll see that it's already active, ready to go. And that will get likes to your page. So those people will engage with your content. That will bring down your ad costs once we start running ads to the page. So it's a necessary evil. How long do you let this run? Well, I get that question all the time. I suggest you keep it running until your ad costs come down. If you run an ad, and like we're coming up on the testing phase pretty soon, if you run an ad and your CPM rates are below $20, which I'll explain later too, then you're fine. You could safely shut off this like campaign. Okay, so there's no real number. It's more of an art than a science. So just go until, if your CPM rate is really high, that's the cost per million, or how much it costs to show your ads to 1,000 people. If that's really high, then you need to be running a like campaign to get your engagement up on your page. Okay, so content and likes equals engagement. High engagement means Facebook likes it. When Facebook likes it, they'll reward you with lower costs. Okay, that's our only goal with this stuff. We're not going to market to these people. We're using it because we have to. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know, but go ahead and set that up now.